Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So to start off, my face is already moisturized and primed, and I'm just going in right into the brows. I'm using this double-sided Morphe brush and my Anastasia Dip Brow in chocolate, and I'm just filling in the brows lightly. To darken my brows up, I'm just going in with a regular eyebrow pencil, and anything can work. This is just a regular one from a beauty supply store. Now I'm just going in with a brown eyeshadow, and this is Whiskey from the Urban Decay Smoky Palette. To carve the brows, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm also using this flat brush that I also got from the beauty supply. Now for the face, I'm just going to color correct with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange. I'm now going in with the shade Toffee to blend in the orange. Now for foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty FauxFilter foundation in Caramel and also the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. For concealer, I'm going back in with Warm Honey, and I'm also using my Real Technique sponge to blend. To brighten up my under eye area, I'm using the shade Creamy Beige. Now to set my under eye area, I'm using my Marcelle powder, and I'm going in with the brush first before the sponge so that I can prevent any creasing. Now for the rest of my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Cashew. Now to sculpt my face, I'm going to be using this brown shade from the James Charles Morphe palette. I've been liking it. It makes my contour way more prominent than it used to be. I'm now going in with these two shades as bronzer just to give my face some warmth. For blush, I'm going in with this one from Stilla. I can't seem to find the name, and I don't even know if they sell it anymore, so I'm really sorry about that. I'm now using my favorite highlighter. It's the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in HUSTLA Baby. I'm using this white from the James Charles palette just to brighten up my under eye area one more time. Now I'm just setting my face with the Morphe setting mist. For the eyes, I'm starting by using this pink shade all over my crease, and I'm using this fluffy Morphe brush. Using this BEIGE Cosmetics brush, I'm going to be mixing these two shades to deepen up my crease. Now I'm just going in with the first shade to blend the outer edges. I'm going in with this shade from the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm just putting this all over my lid. Now back to the James Charles palette, I'm just going to be going in with this pearlescent shade to create a halo effect. Now for my lower lash line, I'm using this small Morphe brush and the same shades that I've been using on my top lid. Now this step is optional, but what I like to do to make my eyes look a bit bigger is use my Fenty highlighter and just place the shade on my waterline. I just went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera because it takes me a hot minute, but I'm using my Telescopic L'Oreal mascara on my lashes and also on my brows. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies. These are really nice and simple, but I wanted a bit more volume, so I used the Ardell lashes in the number 163, I believe, and I just placed them right on top and it looked perfect. Now for my lips, I'm using the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Brown. Lastly, I'm using this Maybelline Khol liner in the number 410 just to darken the edges. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.